At the surface of the ocean, everything feels alive. Sunlight dances through the water, feeding countless forms of life. Tiny organisms drift, unseen, yet essential. Fish glide effortlessly in a world powered by light. It feels endless, bright, complete. But this is only the beginning of the story. Because slowly, almost invisibly, something begins to fall. Tiny fragments of life drifting downward. Remnants of what once thrived above. They gather, they merge, forming a silent snowfall in the middle of the ocean. A snowfall no one ever sees. As these particles descend, the light begins to disappear. Blue fades into darkness. Warmth gives way to cold silence. This is a place where sunlight never reaches, a world that should not exist. And yet, something is waiting. In the depths, life does not chase the light. It waits for the fall. Creatures emerge from the darkness, drawn to the drifting particles. Each fragment a source of survival, each particle a reason to keep living. Here, even the smallest drop of energy matters. The deeper you go, the more endless it feels. A silent storm of falling life, like snow drifting through an infinite night. It never stops. It connects worlds from light to darkness, from life to life again. What falls from above sustains what lives below, an invisible cycle hidden beneath the waves. This silent snowfall feeds entire ecosystems in total darkness. It carries the story of the surface into the deepest parts of our planet. And in doing so, it helps regulate the balance of life on Earth. A process so vast, yet so fragile. Most will never see it. Most will never know it exists. And yet, without it, the ocean would lose its deepest life, and the world would be a very different place. In the deepest parts of the ocean, where light has never touched, life still finds a way. Not through sunlight, not through warmth, but through a quiet, endless fall from above. Every drifting particle carries the remains of a world once full of light. And in the darkness, that is enough. Enough to feed, enough to sustain, enough to keep an entire hidden world alive. It is a reminder that even the smallest things can hold the greatest importance, that life is connected in ways we rarely see, and that far beneath the waves, in complete silence, something extraordinary is always falling. If this hidden world amazed you, take a moment and share it with someone who's never seen the ocean like this. Because there are countless stories beneath the waves still waiting to be discovered. And if you want to explore more of the unseen, more of the unknown, stay with us. There's so much more we've yet to uncover.